Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications for your NOKIA G11. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, click on the search button and write notify body. Like this, hit the search button, select this app and install it. After that process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, click on the next, and you'll be needing to grant 2 permissions to the app. So let's grant the first one, overlay permission. Here locate notify body and select allow display for over other apps. Now let's move back and do the same thing with notification access. Select notify body, allow notification access, and then allow. Now if we go back, there's a third thing right here, which is a battery optimization, but it's optional, you don't need to disable it. If the app doesn't work properly, then you can go back and disable that setting. Now let's move to the next step and click OK. From here we can start using our app, and there's a few tabs down here. First one is user. Here you can pick any app to get custom LED lamp notifications for. So for example, I'm gonna use Netflix. Let's select that like this with the switch. We can move to the system and that way select any system bound apps as well. So here we can pick Google Chrome. In the active tabs you can see all the active apps that you've just turned on for the notifications, and in the settings you can change any settings about this custom LED lamp notifications, like its time between blinking, shape, size, color of the LED lamp, placement on the screen, all kinds of stuff. But some things are protected by a premium, so you will need to pay for some features. Now if you want to see how the LED lamp will look like, let's click the test button, and right here we can see this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.